uprooted world. On the road to Bellamanga, where the world began. I love the settlings of Africa, each and every one. In their hearts a burning hunger, beneath the copper sun. Ancient bones from old divide, echoes of the very first cry. Who made me here and why? Beneath the copper sun. African idea, African idea. Make the future clear, make the future clear. Scatterings of Africa, both you and I. We run the road to Bellamanga, beneath the copper sky. And we are scatterings of Africa, on journey to the sky. Far below we live forever, dreams of what we were.
Over and I guess she thought I was all right in a sort of a limited way for an off night. She said, don't I know you from the cinematographer's party? I said, who am I to blow against the wind? I know